Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of December the 6th through the 12th, 2019. I do go to Giant, but a lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's, we have the same deals. That's why I include them in the title, but you always need to check your own ads and prices in store. So it's not a whole lot going on at Giant. However, if you have a Wise, it's a really good week over there at Wise. So I will upload that video shortly after this one. So some of these deals are going to be personalized too. I needed to use up some coupons that expire, I think, either in January or December. So I got one of these Twisted Ranch coupons. I think it was in a Pinch Me sample box. So I wanted to use that. So it was $2.50 and it took off $2.50. So the Hatfield, the recipe essentials, or the little steaks here are $3. There is supposed to be $1 off too in the Smart Source 11.3. So I didn't get that insert. And I don't know if it's, I don't know why, if I just didn't get the paper that day. I can't remember why I don't have the insert. So I don't have the inserts and I didn't have the coupons. So a better deal if you do. Ibotta has $1 off too. So I paid $2.50 a piece for these. Now this I just paid $3 for. There's no coupons for that, but it's like $1.50 each ham steak. So good enough deal for me. I'll fry those up for a quick, easy dinner. The chicken is $1.69 a pound. So, I mean, you're saving a little bit, and I needed some chicken, so I went ahead and picked that up. The Nestle Toll House. So there's a in-ad coupon for 2 for $4. So I don't know how or why, but I had a 50-cent load to card coupon also come off. And then I used a 75-cent off of 2 Catalina. Those Catalinas don't double. So I paid $2.75 or $1.38 each. And I picked up these espresso chips because I make some coffee cookies and I do have a recipe. I did put that up. I will try to link it down below. If I forget, somebody just remind me. So I wanted to stock up on these espresso chips this time of year because they're not really probably going to go on sale the rest of the year. That way I have those in my cupboard and I might end up making those for something at church or for a get-together. The deerpark is $1. I had a coupon for a free deerpark sparkling water. It said invalid barcode when the lady tried to scan it. So I don't know. She ended up, that was like a 5-minute ordeal because you had to call somebody over. Anyway, they ended up just taking $1 off, so it just made that free. So if you happen to have that mailer, you want to go ahead and use that soon. I think it expires the end of December. The Chobani, this is the second time this has happened to me again. These big ones, you get those free coupons that they mail you. And the lady only took off like $1 for this whole thing. So I paid $4 for this, which is ridiculous. It's my fault. I didn't watch her, I guess, and make sure that she took off the full amount. I was just a little preoccupied with the kids, but I realized when I got home, sure enough, only she took off $1. So if you're using those coupons, watch those cashiers like a hawk and make sure they take off the correct amount. And then these little Chobanis here, they were $1.19. I had a coupon for a free one, a coupon for $1 off one, and then a coupon, it's a 50-cent coupon that doubled. So made each of those 19 cents, and my kids love yogurt, eat it every day. So you want to use those coupons by the end of December if you have any. And then they said to contact them in January for some new ones. So hopefully they still give us free product coupons. We'll have to just wait and see. So the Kleenex are $1.25. There's a 50-cent off 2 load to card. I didn't even realize I had that one. I was just going to go ahead and do it because I was going to submit these for Ibotta. And apparently these don't qualify for Ibotta. I didn't know that. So just so you're aware of that, my 50-cent off 2 did come off though. So I paid $2 or $1 a piece. Not the best deal, but not too terrible on Kleenex. I would have just bought the Giant brand though if I'd have known those Ibotta rebates weren't going to work. So that's all I got at Giant. Not that exciting, but anyway, if you have Wise, be sure to watch my Wise video. I'm going to go ahead and get that out for you guys soon.